Hi, future doctors. Welcome to the next class. In this class, we will discuss some problems. Assume an object is projected vertically upwards. Assume an object is projected vertically upwards with initial velocity 100 meter per second. This object A you can take. Okay. Now, at the same time, another object is dropped. B is dropped from certain height. So what is this height means from A to B? What is the height they will give? 400 meters. An object is dropped from height 400 meters. At the same time, another object is projected vertically upwards with initial velocity 100 meter per second. So B will be coming downwards. A will be going upwards. When and where both objects will meet together, they will ask. So if it is going like this, upwards. So let us assume both are meeting at point C. Now, what is the height? After what time both are going to meet? So to calculate this, which formula we are going to use? In case of freely falling body, what is the initial velocity for the freely falling body? You will be 0 for B. So first I am writing for B, or you can write for A also, no problem. For A. If you are writing for A, what is the initial velocity for A? U is equal to 100 meters. How much distance it is covering means AC. AC is the height or distance it is going to cover. Let us assume from B to C. If you are assuming it is X, then what is from A to C means H minus X. Therefore, we will apply this formula for both distance, time. S is equal to ut plus half at square. Now, what is S for A? H minus X. Correct? What is U for A? 100 T. Since vertically projected body, A is minus G T square. Call it as equation number 1. H minus X is equal to 100 T minus half it is. Next. If you want to write for B, so B is freely falling body. What is the initial velocity for freely falling body? So they have dropped. Therefore, U is 0. How much distance it is covering? So distance is nothing but we are applying this formula. S is nothing but X is equal to, so 0 into T plus half G T square. Why we wrote plus G? Because it is freely falling body, we will take plus. Now X is equal to half G T square. Call it as equation number 2. So from 1 and 2, this is H minus X, this is X. So you can add 1 and 2, equation 1 plus equation 2. What is equation 1? H minus X. What is equation 2? Plus X. Next, RHS we will see. 100T minus half GT square plus half GT square. So now, according to equation, these two will be cancelled. These two will be cancelled. H is equal to 100T. Then T is equal to H by 100. What is the height they give? 400. So 400 by 100, that is nothing but 4 seconds. So after what time both are going to meet? After 4 seconds both are going to meet. So for this, some people will use shortcut. T is equal to H by U. T is equal to H by U. But before going to use this, you have to take care about how much time it is taking to come downwards, how much time it is taking to go upwards. We will discuss about that. Next, what height it is going to meet. At what height it is going to meet means first we have to calculate this x. What is x from this equation number 2? X is equal to half g t square. So half 10 into 4 square. So if you cancel this, 10 into 16 by 2. So 80 meters. 80 meters is from B to C, but they're asking height. Height means h minus x. That is going to be, what is AC now? AC is going to be h minus x. What is h? 400 minus 80. So they're meeting at 320 meters. So this is the question. So now, if we are going to use this equation, T is going to be h by u. Always it will not be helpful. Why? Because you have to take care this time taken from B to A to C. So normally we will see now how much time it will take to reach the ground if you drop from H height, 400 meters. Time taken by freely falling body. What is the equation we will use? T is equal to root 2h by g. So to reach ground I am saying B to A. So root 2 into 400 by 10. So root 80. Root 80 means 4 is coming outside. 2. 2 root 20 you can take, correct? 2 root 20. 4 is coming outside. It will become 2. 2 into 10. So 2 root 20 seconds. So next, this is projected vertically upwards with 100 meter per second. So how much time it will take to reach maximum height? What is the formula? TA is equal to U by G. So U value is going to be not 400, this is 100. So U value is going to be 100. 100 by 10. How much time it is taking? 10 seconds. So is this 10 seconds? This is 10 seconds. This is going to be 2 root 20. Okay. 2 root 20 means root 20 nearly how much? 4 fours are 16. So 4 point something. Therefore, to reach maximum height, it is taking 10 seconds. This is nearly 8 or 8 point something. Therefore, both are going to meet. Somewhere they are going to meet. Therefore, you can use this formula also. P is equal to h by u. Sometimes, so these two objects will not meet at some point. How we will be coming to know whether they are meeting or not means, so by taking this formula only we will take. How we will see means, just if I give one example, you people can understand. An object is dropped from 500 meters height. An object is dropped from 500 meters height. So how much time it will take to reach the ground? Root 2h by g. 2 into 500 by 10. So I'm not writing formula because already we wrote. 50 into 2. Root 100 means 10 seconds. How much time it is taking to reach ground means 10 seconds. At the same time, another body is projected vertically upwards with 10 meter per second. With 10 meter per second. Then, when and where both the objects will meet together, they will ask. So many students will do mistake by taking T is equal to h by u, that is 500 by 10. So after 50 seconds. Now you see, 50 seconds time, after 50 seconds time, according to this formula, which formula means if you are taking about this formula, but so it is coming, dropped object is coming within 10 seconds, it is at ground. Therefore, after 50 seconds, where it is means? If you are waiting within 10 seconds after reaching ground, you are waiting till 50 seconds means it is meaningless. After 50 seconds, both the objects will meet in the air. So therefore, you have to take care. First, you have to calculate this time of descent, how much time it is taking to reach the ground. Now see this vertically projected body. How much time it remains in air? Means remains in air means it will be going upwards, again it is coming downwards. What is the total time formula? 2u by g. So 2 into 10 by 10. That is nothing but 2 seconds. Within 2 seconds, it is coming downwards, again it is reaching earth. Isn't it? An object is projected vertically upwards with 10 meter per second. Within 2 seconds, again it is coming downwards. How much time it is taking to reach maximum height now? 1 second. Now, after 2 seconds, where is this object? Dropped object. How much time it is taking means 2 seconds. This vertically projected body within 2 seconds it is on ground. Now, freely falling body after 2 seconds at what distance? So, x is equal to of gt square. So this formula we are using. X is equal to object square because this is for dropped object. So after 2 seconds, where is that object? Of 10 into 2 square. Then how much you will get? 10 by 2 into 4. That is going to be 20 meters. It is covering 20 meters. Then from bottom, it is at 500 minus 20. That is nothing but 480 meters. So after 2 seconds, dropped object is at 480 meters height. But vertically projected body is reaching down. Again it is on the ground. Therefore, after what time they are going to meet if they are asking means, you have to go for 10 seconds. Within 2 seconds, it is reaching ground. Which one? Projected object with 10 meter per second. So within 2 seconds, again it is reaching the ground. Okay, so dropped object when it is reaching ground, 10 seconds. Now they met, both objects met on the ground after what time means 10 seconds. Isn't it? So like this you have to do. So many students, so many people will do mistake by using this shortcut. Before going to apply the shortcut, you have to do this one. So this is one model in case of vertically projected body, in case of freely falling body, where the two objects will meet together. An important model also and confusing model also. Next, in the same question, what is the distance covered in last second they will ask. Very, very important. So last second means, so already we discussed the formula, Sn minus 1 or Sn second is equal to U plus A into N minus 1 by 2. So in case of vertically projected body, so what is the distance covered in last second? Last second means, already we said, if it is taking 6 seconds time, 6 seconds time means it is from 5th to 6th, how much distance it is going to travel. Isn't it? An object is projected vertically upwards with u is equal to 60 meter per second. Then, so what is the distance covered in 6th second they will ask. What is the distance covered in 6th second they will ask. Correct? At the time, first you have to calculate in 60 meter per second if you project with 60 meter per second if you projected any object, how much time it is taking to reach maximum height. So time of ascent formula, u by g. So 60 by 10, that is going to be 6 seconds. But they are asking the distance covered in 5 to 6. So what is this distance they are asking? At the time, in 6 seconds, how much distance it is covering? S6 is equal to ut minus half gt square we will use. Like that, S5 is equal to ut minus half gt square. So first we will use 6, next we will use 5. Again if you subtract, maximum maximum height or distance covered in 6 seconds minus distance covered in 5 seconds, you are going to get 5 to 6 distance. So this model we will discuss in next class clearly. So just I am giving hint for you how to calculate. So I will give both lengthy method. This is lengthy method, and how we will do short method. In shortcut also how we will do. So we will do in next class. Today you can practice this model and take your different examples. Definitely you will become perfect on this. So in next class 10 minutes we will discuss this concept. So this is very important and confusing concept also. Therefore we will do in next class. Thank you.